So hello guys, let's continue again. Let's understand some more features of file handling. Let's see how to close files in Python. For closing a file, Python provides a built-in method close. Using this, we can close a file that we have opened earlier. Closing a file is always a good practice to avoid accidental and unwanted changes to the data. It also helps in releasing the resources that were tied to that file. If we don't close a file, then Python will automatically close it for us, but to be on the safe side, we should always close the file. After we have called the close method on the file, we won't be able to perform any operation, and to perform any operation we will need to open the file again. Let's now see the syntax for close method. It's very simple, we just need to call the close method on the file object. The close method does not take any argument and does not return anything as well. Now let's understand how to write data to files in Python. For writing data to the files, Python provides a built-in method write. It takes only one argument, which should be of the string format. For writing a file, it should be open in writing mode, which is W, or its equivalent like W plus, A plus, or A. If we open a file which was already containing some data in W mode, which is writing mode, then the data will be erased. That is, the file will be truncated. But if you open a file in append mode, then the data will be added to the end of the file and the previous data will not be removed. Now let's understand the syntax for writing a file in Python. In order to write data to the file, we need to call the write method on the file object and provide our data in string format only. The file object is the object that we have got from the open function. We have seen this in the previous video. Now let's go for a hands-on practical. First of all, start the Python REPL by giving the command python. So here I will be opening a file that is stored on my system using the open function that we have seen in the previous video. I will be opening this file in reading mode to check what is the data inside this file. To read data from the file, I will be calling the read method on the OB1, which is the file object 1. Here we can see that file has some data in it, and now we will try to close this file. So for closing the file, we just need to call the close method on the file object. That is, we will be writing ob1.close and it will close the file. After closing the file, if I try to again read some information from the file, I will receive an error because the file is closed. Again I will be opening this file, but this time in writing mode instead of reading mode. So we know that file already contains some data in it, but as soon as we call the writing mode, the data will be removed or the file will be truncated. Now we know that our file has been opened in W mode, which means writing mode, so we can write data to the file but we cannot read data from it. Now I will be writing data to the file. For that I will be calling the write method on the object of the file and will be giving my data as string. We know that anything inside single quotes or double quotes is considered as a string in Python, and the write method also takes data in string format only. Now as soon as I hit enter, it returns 38, which means that I have written 38 bytes to the file. If we write one character, then it will return 1, which means we have written 1 byte to the file. Now again let's close the file. But before that, if we call the close method without parenthesis, then what will happen? So it will give a brief description of the close method, that it's a built-in method, but it won't work. So to make it work, we need to put the parenthesis. Now if I again open the same file using the open function and then read this using the read method, then it will show the data that we have previously added to the file using the write method. So here we can see that it shows the stuff that we have added using the write method, but the original data that was inside the file was removed. So now we have performed the operation on the file, so let's close it using the close method. Again I will be opening another file using the open function to demonstrate the use of append in Python. Now first of all, let's see that what actually our file is containing. So we will be using read mode here. Now to read data from the file, we will be calling the read method on the file object. So we can see that file contains some data already. So now let's first of all close this file and then we will use the append mode to add data to this file and check if it works or not. For changing the file mode, we need to call the open function again, and this time I will be specifying file mode as A, which means append, instead of R. Now let's try to add data to the file using the write method. For that I will be giving my data in form of string to the write method. As soon as we hit enter, it returns 24, which means we have returned 24 bytes of data to the file. Now let's again close this file using the close method because we have performed our task, and now we will open this file again but in the reading mode to check if the data is added or not. So to read data from the file, I will open the file and specify my mode as R, and after that I will call the read method on the file object, and we can see that some data has been added to the file which is actually appended to the previous data. So in this way append mode works. Now as per the rule, we should close the file because we have performed the task and we have seen the output. So one thing that we all have noticed is that we need to open and close the file again and again to change the modes. But to avoid this condition, we should always use plus modes like R plus, A plus or W plus, which means to perform both the operations of reading and writing at the same time. We will be looking into this in the next video. A quick question: what is the difference between function and a method? If you know the answer, then do comment it in the comment section. That's all for today. My new video will be uploaded soon. Thank you.